How to change a PDF to text in Microsoft Word. This tutorial shows you how to extract editable text from a PDF using Word. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. After that, click on File, then click Open. From there, browse to and select the PDF file you want to convert. At this point, a message will pop up letting you know Word will convert the PDF into an editable document. In the next step, click OK to confirm the conversion. Following this, Word will open the file with all its text now fully editable, just like a regular document. Once done, select all the text using Ctrl and A on your keyboard. From here, copy it using Ctrl and C if you want to paste it into a plain text file or another document. At this stage, open Notepad or a new blank Word document, then paste the text using Ctrl and V. Keep in mind, this conversion works best with text-based PDFs. Scanned or image-based PDFs may not convert accurately without additional OCR tools. Finally, save the new file in your preferred format once you've finished extracting the text. And that's it. If this guide helped you change a PDF to text in Microsoft Word, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.